Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 ratio applications. First of all, what is the definition of ratio? The ratio of two quantities A and B of the same kind and in the same units. What Nana? The ratio of two quantities A and B of the same kind and in the same units is the fraction A by B, written as like this: A is to B. Okay na? So we can read it as A is to B. Now see the terms of the ratio. Terms of the ratio. In the ratio A is to B, in the ratio A is to B, we call A is what Nana? A is first term. A is first term or antecedent. Okay, in the ratio A is to B, we call A is what Nana? First term or antecedent, and B is called second term or consequent. Okay, students. Now see one example. Now see an example. The ages of Varsha and Joshit in the ratio, the ages of Varsha and Joshit, 5 years and 1.5 years and 1.5 years. Clearly here 5 years are there, here 1.5 years are there. Ante that is what Nana? 1.5 years. We can write it as 1.5 means that is 1.5 years. So clearly what are the units? Ikkada units vachesi Varsha age vachesi 5 years. Joshit age vachesi that is 1.5 year, means ikkada vachesi 1 year plus half year. So clearly we can write this one. I am going to change, otherwise we can write here 1.5 year ante that is 18 months. Okay, students. So in the place of 1.5 year, I am going to write 18 months. Now what happened? The age of Varsha given in years, the age of Joshit given in months. Clearly units are not same, but ratio means what Nana? Comparing two quantities with the same kind, okay, with in the same units. అంటే two quantities ని కంపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు the units also same ఉండాలి, but here years ఉంది, ఇక్కడ months ఉంది. So that's why I'm going to change 5 years into months. We know 1 year is equals to 12 months. Yes, then 5 years is equals to what Nanu? 5 into 12, so that is equals to what? 60 months. So now I am going to compare their ratios like this. Okay, Varsha by Joshit, that is equals to Varsha age vachesi 5 years, that is what Nana? 60 months. by Joshit age వచ్చేసి 1.5 year. So that is what now 18 months. So clearly a ratio has no units. అంటే రేషియోకి యూనిట్స్ ఉండవు. సో దట్స్ వై months cancel. So that is 60 by 18. So that is equals to, we can write it as 60:18. The ratio of Varsha and Joshit is equals to 60:18. Clearly I am going to write its simplest form. What Nana? Simplest form. So simplest form rayali ante, first of all we are going to find its HCF. The HCF of 60 and 18 using continued division method. 18 3s are 54. Minus means we get 6. Now this divisor act as a dividend. 6 3s are 18. So what is the last divisor? The last divisor is 6. This is the HCF of 60 and 18. So now I am writing here 60:18. We can write it as 60 by 18. Now I am dividing the first term with the 6 and the second term with the 6. Then what happens? 6 1s are 6 10s are 6 1s are 6 3s are. So that is 10 by 3. That is equals to 10:3. After simplifying, okay, the ages of Varsha and Joshit in the ratio 10:3. So this is the example. In this 10 is called what Nana? 10 is the first term or antecedent, and 3 is called what Nana? Second term or consequent. Okay students? Yes.
Done.
Okay students, now see one more question on the ratio. Find the ratio of the following in simplest form. So the question given like this: 240 meters and 1/5 kilometers. Clearly when we are going to compare two quantities, the quantities must be the same units. ఖచ్చితంగా సేమ్ యూనిట్స్ ఉండాలి. But what are the units in first quantity?
Meters.
What are the units in second quantity? That is kilometers. So meters, kilometers, same units are? No. But it is possible to change meters into kilometers and kilometers into meters. Is it clear? Now I am going to convert kilometers into meters. So first of all see Nana, 1/5 kilometer means, that is, here I am doing into, I am multiplying whole number part with 5, again adding 1. So 5 1s are 5. 5 కి 1 add చేస్తే, that is 6. 6/5 kilometers. The meaning is 6/5 into kilometer means 1 kilometer is equals to, that is 1000 meters. So 5 1s are 5, 200 sir. Okay, so that is 6 into 200 means what Nana? That is 1200 meters. So I converted 1/5 kilometer into meters means, that is 1200 meters. Now I am going to compare the two ratios. So that is 240 meters by 1200 meters. So clearly a ratio has no units. So meter cancel. So that is 240 by 1200. So now I am going to find their HCF. The HCF of highest common factor of 240 and 1200. Now see 1200 ni 240 తోటి చేస్తున్నా division. Okay, so you just apply 245 sir, 5 2s means 10 అంటే 1000 వస్తుంది. 5 4s 20 అంటే 540s 200 వస్తుంది. Okay na students. So 240 into 5, 245 are, that is 1200 మనకు డైరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. So what is the HCF of these two? This is the last divisor and first divisor. So that's why 240 is the HCF of 240 and 1200. So that's why what I am doing here, dividing the first term with 240 and the second term with the 240. So 241s are 241s are 241s are 245s are. So that is equals to 1 by 5. That is equals to 1 is to 5. So the ratio of 240 meters and 1 by 5 kilometers is 1 is to 5. So like this we compare any two quantities with the same kind and in the same units. Okay na students. So, thank you.